We are Jai Ambay Etching Process. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we are talking about a cool new way to make plastic containers even better, using 5-axis laser texturing on the molds. So, what is 5-axis laser texturing? It's a process that uses a powerful laser to add designs and textures to the surface of a mold. This mold is used to shape plastic containers. With 5-axis technology, the laser can move in all directions, allowing us to create really detailed patterns. This makes the container look better and can even improve how it feels to hold. Unlike old methods like chemical etching, laser texturing is more precise and eco-friendly. It doesn't need harmful chemicals and gives a smoother, more consistent finish. Look at this container. Thanks to laser texturing, the mold used to make this has a custom texture, giving it a unique design that you can't get with traditional methods. That's it. 5-axis laser texturing makes molds better and helps create high-quality plastic containers. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cool manufacturing insights. See you next time.